Unboxing the Philips DiamondClean Connected Series pink and white toothbrush. Let's see what you get inside. All right, so when we open the box, boom, it comes in this nice case here. And what you're going to get inside, as we can see, we got wand number one. So wand number one here is going to be the pink wand. So you can see the pink color there. See that pink? Boom. All right. So it's a nice light pink. Wand number two is going to be the white wand. The white wand. There you go. So now you got the pink and the white. So we also get two carrying cases for travel. So if you're going on vacation or whatnot, you're going to get two of these Philips cases to carry them in. They're actually really nice. It's soft. Feels like leather, in fact. And it just kind of like a jewelry case, flips open, has that little stick option there. And of course, when you're traveling, you'll be able to lay your toothbrush inside of there, as you can see, just like that. So there's the white one inside of there. That closes. And then, of course, it does also have the charging station. So the charging station looks really cool. It's got this cool chrome charging station that you'll put in your bathroom or wherever you prefer to charge yours. And once you got that wand set up, now this one also came with these cool glasses, and the glasses actually sit right on top of that coaster there. And then you also get the toothbrush wands, as you can see here, the toothbrush wands in here. And this has a little clear plastic cover on it as well. So that way, when you travel, it doesn't get into your bag or anything like that. And then that will snap right on to the front there. Boom. And then you hit the power button. Let me take the cap off. So there's option number one. All right. And then there's also settings down here. So you'll select gum health, deep clean, clean, white, select your series, and then you hit the button, and then that runs that cleaning method. Again, you get the second case. Obviously, you get two of the toothbrush heads coming in there, two of the dock stands, the second glass as well. It does come with a user manual also, so that way you can know what to do, how to use it. All right, and I did go ahead and plug this in. So you're going to set this in the charging glass there, and then you just place your glass in the cup, and it starts charging just like that. And that is how the charging works on both of your toothbrushes, right? So you just set them in there anyway, and it automatically kicks on. So listen, you hear the beep, beep, indicating that it is charging. So you just leave that in there overnight, and it charges just like that.